Hey guys! There's something wild about Canadian winters. You open the door, and nature reminds you who's really in charge. A quiet wall of snow. Untouched. Heavy. Peaceful. Moments like this make you pause. Slow down. Breathe. And appreciate the beauty, even when it blocks your way. Winter isn't just a season here. It's a lifestyle. But this is Canada. We don't cancel plans. We just dig our way through them. So here's to winter, to resilience, and to the 5 hours of shoveling I definitely didn't sign up for. If anyone needs me, I'll be tunneling my way to freedom like a Canadian prisoner of winter. Send snacks, and maybe a shovel.